everyone. In today's video, I'll show you all the different ways to open settings in Windows. Whether you like using the mouse, keyboard shortcuts, or search, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The most common way is through the Start menu. Click the Start button. Click the settings icon, it looks like a gear. The fastest way is using a keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key plus I. This instantly opens settings. You can also use search. Click the search bar. Type settings and press enter. Another quick method. Right-click the Start button. Select settings from the menu. For advanced users, press Windows key plus R. Type MS settings. Press enter. And that's it. Now you know all the ways to open settings in Windows. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.